Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair Samsung 7.0 kg washing machine PCB board. The problem is start button not working. I turn on, this is the power and this is start button. Now I press start button not working, and other button is working, spin, rinse, wash working. Only start button is not working. So how to repair, I will show you. I already cut this PCB from the back side. Here got two PC and one is PF capacitor. So first of all we check this PF condenser. So short problem. So I will remove this PF condenser. Now after I checked and see how still the same problem. PF condenser number is C160. So I will remove this PF condenser and then see how. Before remove, soldering a bit. Now remove. Now let's check. Okay, no, it's okay. So let's try turn on. Okay, done. Okay, now let's try again. Press power, press start. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information, kindly contact me. I remove this PF condenser. Now it's working fine. See you all in the next video.